Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to do an unboxing of the Better Homes and Garden raised garden bed. So stay tuned, summertime, garden season for your herbs and vegetables coming up. Hey guys, we're back with another video. So today we're going to do the unboxing of the Better Homes and Gardens raised flower bed. As you can see, this is the Brookberry Brown. And as you can see from the instructions, it says it's 16 by 1 inches width and 25.6 inches in length. And the height is about 30.1 inches tall. So as you can see right here, this is probably about a medium-sized one. That's good for like your right outside your patio or your deck or small spaces, which is something perfect for me. My deck is pretty much took up with patio furniture, so this would be good to plant some tomatoes, herbs, things of that nature. So as we can see right here, here's the box delivered. You can find these on Walmart, Amazon, and Lowe's. Box wasn't that heavy, but as you can see through the delivery process, got kind of beat up just a little bit. There's the UPC for you right there if you want to look it up. Okay, so let's go ahead and put the box on the side. Okay, so we got the box up. There's the UPC again. Right here, let you know it's boxed in recyclable cardboard. Let you know right there, department information. Again, the length, width, and height. It's 30 inches tall, 25 inches long, and 16.1 inches wide. Right here, they let you know that this is ideal for patios, balconies, or the backyard gardening. All weather, wicker, and durable steel legs, which supports the weight. So this is the side of the box. And we're back to the other side of the box. It's pretty much the same picture on both ends. So it's pretty much, you're not missing anything on that side of the box. The top of the box is pretty much the same as the bottom of the box. There's nothing on there. See, top of the box, nothing much. UPC again. All right, so let's go ahead and get this cracked open so we can get ready to assemble it, see what's in, unbox it, and then get to the assembly part of it. Okay guys, so we got the box open, cut all the tape off, and looked in the inside of the box. So the first thing you see is pretty much this bubble wrap to keep it from getting scratched. Right here, all the pieces just seem to be all in the bubble wrap together right here. So we're gonna go ahead and cut this loose and see where all the pieces are in the instructions. Okay, so we got the protective bubble wrap off. So the first thing we notice is, because this is the wicker raised garden bed, which is good for like water and stuff like that. So when it rains, it's pretty much good on any instance, pretty much. So if you look at this, it tells you how to put everything together. It's the front of the instructions and the back of the care instructions right here. Pretty much lets you know, please assemble the garden bed according to the instructions for your safety. Right here, Better Homes and Garden, Walmart, are associated brands. As you can see, here's the thank you card for a free magazine or app for the Better Homes and Garden magazine. Okay, we put those to the side. So here's piece C. So they have them according to the instructions. You have piece A, B, C. See page 1 and page 2. Letting you know right there, it goes up to 130 pounds. The shelf only holds 22 pounds, so you won't overload it with heavy plants and stuff. So you need piece A, B, C. So as you can see right here, they're marked. There's piece B, there's piece C. Okay, so we're gonna try to lay this out a little more and organize so we can start putting it together. I'm not putting together outside because we're getting a heat wave right now and it's very hot out there. So in order not to get toasty sunburn, I'm going to assemble it together in the cool air and then I'll take it outside and show you guys. So let's get all the pieces together. Okay guys, so we have all the pieces out of the box here. And as you can see, based on the instructions, you have two A pieces, which is right here, which is the width side. And then you have the two B pieces, which is the length side, according to the instructions right here. And you have the two C pieces. So you have two of everything except for the screws and this whatever this is right here that goes to it. Look like it might be a cover or something that goes on top of the garden bed. So we're gonna go ahead and start the assembly process according to the instructions. So like you said, you get the two A pieces, the two B pieces, and you screw them in. So just wanted to show you the unboxing so far once you get all the pieces out of the box. So let's go ahead and start to get this boy put up together and show you how it looks. Okay guys, so for step one, it said use pieces A and C. Try to speed this up as much as possible for you so we won't go directly into it, but as you see we have piece C and piece A. You have to put it together like so. So the first piece for piece A and C, the first piece, when it's completed for step one, should look like this. Okay, so we're gonna go on to step two. And according to step two, they want you to put the side B pieces on. So are these pieces right here. So let's go ahead and throw those on. Okay guys, step two is complete. As you can see, both ends are on here. And here's a little tip for you to make sure you're doing it right. Obviously, you should make sure the Better Home and Gardens icon is on the outside. If it's on the inside of this, you have it screwed in wrong. Just don't want you to go all the way and realize that it's wrong. And also, with this part C, make sure that the bars are faced up, because when you put the inside liner in there, you don't want to make sure it's like this, otherwise it will sink down. You need to make sure that the bars are up on the upside right here, just facing this way up, so that way when you put the liner in there, it won't sink below this when you putting the pieces in. So now let's go on to step three. So basically step three, they want you to put the other A and C piece on to make it be able to stand up on its own. So let's go ahead and knock that piece out and be back in a minute to show you how it looks. As you can see, I have both pieces in, almost done. Just the little socket wrench that they give you right here. It's not the best, but it gets the job done. So you have to make sure you screw all 6 screw holes for this one. So you have 2 on this side, 2 on that side, and of course 1, 2 on the bottom to make sure everything is secure. So we're almost done with this part of step 3. Okay, step 5 is complete. As you can see, all around, it's complete. Now for step 6, the final step. Okay guys, and the final step is step 6. As you can see, we're out here on the patio as I stated. This is the backyard. And this is where the raised garden bed is going to go on the patio. I have tomato plants that I have to transplant into this garden bed. As you can see, right here. Tomatoes, I'm going to transplant it right up in here. Then you have to get your organic garden soil, fill it up in here. So this is the bed liner. So when we unboxed it, we didn't know what this was. It's like the bed liner. It's kind of loose, but I guess once you fill it with dirt, it will actually be tightened up and You can actually pull this out when you need to switch plants around. So like I said, this is the unboxing of the Better Homes and Garden wicker raised garden bed. Make sure you grab you some good vegetable seeds, plants, or flowers, whatever you're going to plant. I'll put some links in the description of the garden bed where you can buy some good organic soil and as well as some good seeds. So make sure you guys smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next video.